Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the magicstyler.co, which is basically an all-in-one hair styler. So as you can see, they have Elle, Vogue, Cosmopolitan, and BuzzFeed right here to attract the customers. I don't know what all of these mean. Why do I have these brands here? Hey, they don't have any correlation to the product. So they claim that it is an all-in-one magic, cost-effective, time saver, versatile, no heat damage, and long-lasting results. So as you can see, it costs a lot. 4,000 PHP or 3,900 is about $40. No, not 40, 80, about $80. And 8,000 is about what, almost 200, about $180. So as you can see right here, we have it here on Amazon, which is the hairstyle magic styler 5-in-1. And actually, they're rated 3 out of 5 stars. So if you actually go down here, see the reviews, they have a lot of 1-star reviews. So disappointing, doesn't work like it says. Hair dryer kit, cheap, worthless product. It does not deliver performance as advertised. And as you can see here on Trustpilot, they are also rated 2.4 stars out of 5, which is poor for 328 reviews. And let's read. Terrible customer service product. Buyer beware. Customer service is horrible. Customer service is lacking. And please do take note that there are a lot of paid reviews here on Trustpilot. So these 5 stars reviewed could be skewed or biased because of payment. If I could give this product a 0, I would. Do not buy. It's a scam. Dangerous and faulty. Do not order. So please do not order this product. There are a lot of different products out there that are actually legit. And please don't fall for this kind of fake product. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.